Hi, this is Anna Murphy. This is the channel Anna Murphy Yoga. And today I invite you just to flow with me in this very short 2-minute yoga flow. Let's flow together. Start in downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the right leg high. Exhale, low lunge, foot between your hands. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, send your arms back. Drop the back knee, low lunge. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, hands to frame the front foot. Send the hips back to align with the back knee. Have a split inhale. Exhale, fold, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, back foot to the side of the mat. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, modify side plank. Send the arm overhead. Inhale, send your arms up. Exhale, low lunge, and find your downward facing dog. Other side. Inhale, bring the left leg high. Exhale, low lunge, foot between your hands. Draw, inhale, crescent lunge. Reach your arms up. Exhale, arms back, drop the back knee, low lunge. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, hands to the frame, the front foot. Send the hips back to align with the back knee. Have a split, extend the front leg. Inhale, exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift, back foot back to the side. Extend the front leg. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, modify side plank. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, find your low lunge. Downward facing dog. And then child pose. Toes together, open your knees wide. Bring your forehead to the mat.